So how do you add two time zones in the iPhone lock screen? So let me explain it. And if you are new here, subscribe and we can get it started. So of course, we get to the lock screen. You might also have some notifications in here, but mostly we are presented with just one time option. So it is the current one in your current time zone, but you can hold down on it like this and click on customize it at the bottom, right? You can also customize the other wallpaper. So let me, for example, start with this one. It doesn't matter, right? Because you can resize the clock on all of them and everything. But in order to add like a different time zone, we have to utilize the widgets. And there are more areas where you can add the widgets. Most commonly, you can see we have the widgets panel at the bottom. So you can click on it like this. And from those, we have some recommended ones at the top, but you can scroll through the apps and you should definitely find the clock app. And when you click on a clock, it is basically the world clock, which you can add in for different formats, except for the alarm, so I guess 3. And you can choose the city analog, city digital in 2 sizes, and the world clock, which shows 3 cities at one time. So let me, for example, choose that I'm gonna add this one right in here, and also the small analog. Now you can see that I have the main time in my local area right there at the top, the large one, and at the bottom I have the Cupertino as well as another clock saying Cupertino. Well, I can also click on it, right, and also change the city to whatever else I want, right? Let's say that I'm gonna look up, I don't know, London, England. As such, you can see the first time right there is for London, England, and the second one probably remains for Cupertino. So as you can see, every time I go to the lock screen, I have the London time, I have the Cupertino, and I have the local time. So that's how I personally like to do it. And one more thing about that is that you can also add it in the top. So you can see we have the time, and above that we have one more panel. So you can also click it, and in the top, we can also choose something else. And from the options, you can as well find the clock and, for example, add the Cupertino time there too. So I'm going to tap on it as such. And as well, change that to something else. Let's say I'm going to choose New York. So New York, USA. Now, you can see that once I hit it done, this lock screen not only shows 2 time zones, but actually 4, because I have the London, I have the local, I have the Cupertino, as well as New York. So many places and options. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.